Do you want to learn English? Do you really want to learn English? If the answer is yes, great. I want to share with you 5 essential steps to learn English. And today we're going to dive into the first one. And I'm going to cover the other 4 in separate videos. Okay, so the first essential step I want to share with you might sound obvious, might sound boring, but it's key for your learning process. The first step is to connect with your motivation. Exactly. You need to connect with your motivation to learn English. You need to connect with your motivation because of 2 reasons. The first one, you're going to need your motivation to continue in your learning process when you don't feel like it. It's going to boost your energy when you feel exhausted and you don't want to study. So your motivation is key. It's going to be your energy. It's going to be your battery when you feel completely drained. The second reason why connecting with your motivation is so important is because it's also going to guide your path. It's going to guide your learning process. Let me give you an example. If you want to learn English to have a casual conversation with friends, that's great. You have a very clear path to learn English, to learn casual English, to learn the basics and the most common vocabulary, for example. However, if you want to learn English for professional purposes, if you're a flight attendant that wants to learn English for your job, then it's going to be different. Your path to learning a language is going to be different. If you want to learn English to communicate with your spouse, your learning process is going to be different from someone that wants to learn English to be accepted at a university. Your motivation is going to guide your learning process. So, with that said, what's your motivation to learn English? Leave it in the comments below. I would love to know. On a different note, you might have noticed that I'm not speaking Spanish as I usually do in my videos. Why? Because I want to help you learn English, and I think that you can use this video as a listening practice. Even if you're using Link, one of my favorite tools to learn a language, probably my favorite, you can activate the closed caption in English and import this video into Link for you to study and learn the vocabulary I'm using in this video. Also, we're going to change this channel a little bit. In the next few days, we're going to change the name of this channel. Why? Because I want to bring more content for you. I want to bring more ideas for you. And I'm going to progressively publish more videos in English to help you. That's my goal with this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and you'll see the change in this channel and the kind of content we're going to start sharing with you moving forward. That's it for today. Thank you everyone, and I hope I see you in the next video.